Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. No? So today, we are going to react to SB19 Quit live performance video. No? Nilabas to kahapon, actually, pero late ko na siya nakita, and I see na marami sa inyo nag-comment na mag-react tayo dito. So, we're here. No? Again, Quit is one of the most beautiful song na napakinggan ko sa new EP nila. One of my favorite actually. I've been listening to Quit like, I don't know, almost every day. But yeah, I mean, iba kasi yung impact ng kantang to eh. So, totoo lang. Diba yung impact ng kanta, yung meaning ng kanta, yung melody, no? Overall, it's a 10 out of 10 song for me. But we have a live performance video. Alright, well, sign me up, man. Without further ado, let's get it. 1Z.
Nakakapagpwede nito kasi marami rin mga taong pilit na kinukuha ang aming mga passion at kulay. Pero kung anong nakilala namin kayo, hindi nyo ayaw na namin mag-quit.
Wait, is this during the kick-off concert?
Sa lahat mga nakakaalam na
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
sabayan nyo kami.
By the way, this song is sobrang Philip goated, no? Philip coded na song. Goated.
Sa lahat mga nakakaalam na ito. Sabayan nyo kami.
Let's go! Sobrang hype na kanta to. Lakasan natin! Padibdib talaga palagi. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Nice. So okay. All right. Hindi sila nag-add ng parang live talaga pati yung vocals. Nice. Okay. But I guess again, I'm full of rain. Don't make him see. I don't go, now guess we'll never know. I don't know, I guess we'll never know. I guess we'll never know. They tried to kill the colors in my mind, and on my heart it would still be kind. Oh man, this fucking song, man. And also, ang ganda ng ang ganda ng mga shot dito. Yung cinematic shot during concert. And gustong-gusto ko na hindi nila nilagyan ng hindi nila parang masyadong inedit yung vocals kasi it feels like live talaga. Like, kasi may mga ganun, 'di ba? Sinasabi live performance, but after ng video, dinadagdagan na nila ng mga ng extra preset yung vocals ng mastering, no? It still sounds na parang live pero at the same time hindi, but this one it's all live, no? So ganda ng ginawa nila doon. By the way, if you guys never nakapanood pa ng live performance nila, men, ganito yung tunog nila in person, men. Sa live na pupunta ka nag-perform sila, ganito yung tunog nila. Man, kaya nga Alam ko, may maraming mga allegation nung nakaraan na, nag-lip sync, but trust me, hindi man ka panipaniwala, pero ganito yung tunog nila sa live, man. God damn.
Don't guess we'll never know. No, I don't know. I guess we'll never know. I guess we'll never know. I guess we'll never know.
They try to kill the colors in my eyes, but my heart is it's got alive, losing my sunshine and I feel alive. So I'll be picture perfect in right. Gustong-gusto ko talaga na yung linya na yon si Stel yung kumanta, no? Gustong-gusto ko talaga yun.
That's why I'm outside. I'm inside.
It's gonna take a while. Got a bad. Sky's gonna go red. Nice.
I guess we'll never know.
If I would go, I guess we'll never know.
No, I don't know. I guess we'll never know. I guess we'll never know.
The
I guess
ad-lib?
we'll You're trying to kill the galaxy in my mind. Break all my heart, what it was to be kind. I feel like losing myself trying to be alive. So I picture perfect in your eyes.
To those
Hit you with the feels, man. This song is fucking goated, no? This song is goated.
To those who feel like they've lost the purpose.
I'm getting goosebumps. What the hell? Ilang beses ko na pinakinggan to. Parang OA na ata tong goosebumps na to, Ilang beses ko na pinakinggan to kanta, no? Dito yung first time. Di na nga ito yung 10th time, 10 times? 10 time? Na pinakinggan ko. Even 20 times. Dito yung 20 times na pinakinggan ko to. Ilang beses na. I'm getting goosebumps because of this video, man.
To those who are broken. To those who are lost.
Kasi kung napanood yung hindi ako masyadong nagbigay ng thoughts ko sa kantang to. If you guys watch the the first initial reaction ko sa buong EP ng simula at wakas, hindi ako masyadong nagbigay ng thoughts ko kasi masyado siyang tumama. Yeah, medyo personal, no? So ayokong bigay ng masyadong negative sa inyo, sa reactions natin, like yung masyadong malungkot, no? Lalo na sa mga personal ko, ayokong ibagsak sa inyo yun, no? I want you guys to enjoy the reaction. But all I wanna say is this song, man, there's a special place sa puso ko para sa kantang to, no?
This song is a rebellion from your soul, from your own soul. This is our anthem.
Sure.
Sing this one with us. Sing. Sing, Lord. Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to tell you guys, na hindi ko nasama sa vlog ko, hindi sa video. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, nasabi ko sa inyo to itong part na to, man, grabe, ang ganda nito tingnan in live, yung pagtalon nila, naglabasan yung mga I'm fucking spazzing too much, no? Tig.
My beautiful people, you are loved. We love you guys so much. We genuinely love you guys so much. So much. Thank you. Thank you!
Come on, man. Come on. Nice. Nice. Alright, well, again, that's SB19 Quit live performance video. Man. Ganda ng ginawa nila sa video na to. No, yung editing, yung cinematic shots nila. Like the emotion, nung reaction ng mga tao. And also, I'm glad, of course, they have to highlight this. No? Yung pagtalon nila, yung naglabas yung confetti. Kasi in person, it's visually, amazing habang pinapakinggan mo yung kanta. Like after ng, oh, lahat sumasabay. Oh, yung feeling mo parang, lalabas na yung mga yung goosebumps ka na. Kasi lahat it's an anthem, ba? Oh, tapos bagsak ng instrumental. Tapos pagtalo nila, diba? Lalabas lahat ng confetti. Like, man. Siya, para siyang panaginip. Diba? Yung feeling na nandun ka, man. Sabi ko sa inyo, I mean, all I want to say is thank you to, again, Miss Jackie, no? Kay Madam Jackie, kay sponsor Jackie, kay manager Jackie, no? Nagdala sa akin doon. Para mapanood yon in person. Man. Well, that's a reaction for today, man. Sana gusto nyo. Yeah. Well, that's our video for today, man. See you on the next video. See you on the next one. Peace.